Uh,
Ontario. My friends, if you're planning a trip here, prepare for a mixed bag of nature, urban vibes, and historical gems.
First stop, Niagara Falls. Sure, it's touristy, but when those massive water curtains crash down, um, it's an adrenaline spectacle. Um, Over 3,160 tons of water plunge every second. Um, don't skip the boat tour. Yes, you'll get drenched, but it's all part of the fun. Toronto is a bustling metropolis that becomes your personal playground. Head to the iconic CN Tower at 553 meters. You get views that could defy your worst fear of heights. Restaurants up there serve a meal with a spinning view, quite literally. A must-do for any thrill seeker or city lover. Trust me. Muskoka, the epitome of cottage country, offers serenity and seclusion. It's all crystalline lakes and dense forests as far as the eye can see. I mean, just imagine a weekend in a log cabin, nature hiking, or just lazing by the lake. It's your own decision-making power. Pro tip is visit in autumn. The foliage is strikingly colorful. Ottawa, the nation's capital, isn't just for history buffs. Sure, the Parliament buildings are must-sees, but the Rideau Canal becomes a massive ice rink in winter, 100 steps away from bureaucratic jargon. Skating here gives an essence of being in a Canadian winter wonderland. Just remember, warm gloves are non-negotiable. Algonquin Provincial Park expands into a vast wilderness where outdoor enthusiasts lose themselves, quite literally if they're not careful. Hiking, canoeing, and wildlife spotting become next-level experiences here. The park size is roughly 7,653 square kilometers, making it the surprise twist to any adventurous soul story. Head to Kingston for a trip back in time. This quaint city plays host to Fort Henry, a throwback monument where soldiers still march in British redcoats. It stands there as a touchable chapter of Canadian history. Plus, the Thousand Islands are a stone's throw away for some stellar sightseeing cruises. Stratford is a hidden gem I often recommend. It shines with its renowned Shakespeare Festival, a must-visit for theater aficionados. Walking trails and picturesque scenery line the Avon River, so explore with curiosity. It's a cultural snapshot of talent and small town allure. Check festival dates. Trust me, it's popular. Blue Mountain for ski lovers is an adrenaline-packed paradise. Nestled in Ontario's largest mountain village resort. Slopes suit all skill levels. Off-season, the resort doesn't go quiet. Mountain biking and ziplining maintain the thrill. Remember, a lift ticket becomes your passport to enjoy jaw-dropping vistas. Prince Edward County is a wine lover's dream. Picture 35 plus wineries, sprawling, picturesque landscapes, wine tours and tasting rooms. Anyone? Search for Sandbanks Provincial Park to majestic sand dunes and pristine beaches await. Summer concerts create a vibe that's irresistibly charming. Plus, sunshine never felt so good. Georgian Bay sits famed for its crystal waters and rugged islands. In a kayak, you paddle alongside granite cliffs and azure waters that make you question Ontario versus an exotic escape. For endless photo ops, the Great Trail delivers. It's an outdoor lever statement of I was here. Sudbury brings the big nickel, 10 centimeters short of 10 meters high, towering over others. Imagine a tourism magnet that's larger than life, literally scientifically intriguing with its mining tours and dynamic science, nor if it educates in fascinating ways. Kids of every age remain wide-eyed, I assure you. The Bruce Peninsula, adorned with limestone cliffs and azure waters, appears straight out of a mythical land. Grotto caves hold cool waters surprises down rugged cliff trails. It's a trek well worth taking. Snorkeling the clear waters gives an underwater discovery feeling, spicing up any ordinary itinerary.